Hey everyone, looking to make some cash promoting hot Temu products? Look no further. Today we'll show you exactly how to leverage Pinterest to become a Temu affiliate rockstar in under a minute. Step 1. Sign up and get affiliated. First things first, you'll need 2 accounts. Temu, free, and Pinterest, also free. Once you're signed up on both, head over to Temu and find their affiliate program page. Sign up to become an official Temu affiliate. That's your key to earning commissions. Step 2. Find trending Temu products. Now, let's find some awesome products to promote. Browse the Temu app or website, focusing on trendy or hot-selling items. Think unique gadgets, cool home decor, or anything that catches your eye. Step 3. Create eye-catching Pinterest pins. Head over to Pinterest and create eye-catching pins for your chosen Temu products. Use high-quality images from Temu and write compelling descriptions that highlight the product's benefits. Don't forget to include your affiliate link. Step 4. Optimize and promote your pins. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions to make them discoverable. Target relevant boards and even consider running Pinterest ads to get even more eyes on your pins. Step 5. Earn commissions and repeat. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link from Pinterest and makes a Temu purchase, you earn a commission. Keep creating engaging pins, promoting hot products, and watch your earnings grow. There you have it. A quick and easy guide to promoting Temu on Pinterest. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating great pins, and those commissions will start rolling in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.